Welcome to the instructions video for the Transistor Biasing Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you design stable bias networks for bipolar junction transistors. Whether you're working with fixed bias, collector feedback, or voltage divider configurations, this tool calculates all the resistor values you need for proper amplifier operation. To use this calculator, start by selecting your biasing topology from the drop-down menu. Next, enter your transistor's beta value, which is the current gain specification from your datasheet. Input your desired collector current in milliamps, your supply voltage in volts, and the target collector emitter voltage. For thermal stability analysis, you can also enter temperature coefficients. For example, let's enter a beta of 100, a collector current of 2 milliamps, a supply voltage of 12 volts, and a collector emitter voltage of 6 volts. Click the Calculate button to generate your results. The calculator displays the required resistor values for your bias network, the stability factor, and confirms your operating point parameters. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.